Alright, let's break down this awesome scalping strategy that's going to take your trading game to the next level. This strategy is super flexible. You can use it in all sorts of markets and time frames, whether it's Forex, crypto, gold, you name it. And guess what? We're going to focus on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute charts to make it happen. But here's the cool part, we're going to keep it simple with just 2 indicators. And guess what? You can find them for free on TradingView. So let's dive right in. First off, we'll be using the half trend indicator. When we pull it up, we're going to make a few changes to ensure it's working in our favor. So let's head over to the settings and adjust the amplitude to 4. Then in the Style tab, we're going to uncheck some boxes to keep things clean and simple. That means saying goodbye to ATR high, ATR low, arrow up, arrow down, ATR high ribbon, and ATR low ribbon. Once we've done that, we're good to go. This bad boy gives us signals about whether the market's feeling bullish when it's blue or bearish when it's red. It's like having a little buddy guiding us through the ups and downs of the market. Afterward, we'll incorporate an additional half-trend indicator and also make some adjustments to its settings. But this time, it's going to help us decide when to buy or sell. When a blue arrow pops up, it's time to think about buying. And when a red arrow shows up, it's time to think about selling. Simple, right? Now let's talk about how to actually place those buy and sell orders using these indicators. If you see a blue arrow and the half-trend line is blue too, that's your signal to buy. Place your buy order after the current candlestick closes, set your stop loss at the lowest point of the buy signal arrow, and aim for a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. On the flip side, if you see a red arrow and both half-trend lines are red, that's your signal to sell. Place your sell order after the current candlestick closes, set your stop loss at the highest point of the sell signal arrow, and aim for that same target take profit ratio. And here's a pro tip. If you get a buy or sell signal but the half-trend lines don't match in color, cancel that setup. And remember, always stick to your money management and trading psychology to keep things in check. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful scalping strategy that you can start using right away. And hey, don't forget to show us some love by liking and subscribing to the channel. Happy trading!